Well, here we go, people. I think it's draining. So I'm going to switch to that one. I've had we're on drain and spin. So let's see if it comes up on there. EO3 error. I can't believe all money what we're in there like a wishing well. That's me that. Definitely not on come out, it's me that. I don't check my pockets, I put a £10 winning scratch card in there, I had in my Adidas jacket. Let me just grab my coffee. In my new fucking cup. Let me sit at Jimmy Cat. Shut up, dogs! I think we've cracked it. As we'll see now. I think we've cracked it. We're definitely not. Where's my thing gone? We're not leaking from down here, are we? Oh. Cracked it, we've done it. Zimmy! Binty! Hello. Rave machine. Dude, the children of the night, nobody stop this generation. Better da 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 da. Yeah, nothing can stop us now. Like a rave machine. Doom 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 doo 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 doom doo 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 doo. Look at that. You know, anybody that has epileptic fits, don't look into the washing machine. Sorry, I'm going to sleep, I'm cracking up. Didn't expect doing this morning. Mending the rave machine. God almighty. No, Jimmy! You like my suntan? Shut up! You know that neighbours report me into bidders. You see my underpants there, look. Yeah, it's working, that people. It's draining already. Looks like it's that time machine. Let's go back to the future. Yep, it's working. There you go. I'm thinking of starting a plumbing business. I'm going to call it Cunt & Co. CC on side of van, Cunt & Co. Wending washing machines. It's a catchy name for the plumber's business, that. Cunt & Co's Plumbers. Yeah, but that's working, God bless, we've cracked it.